So what is not Achilles tendonitis? What is not Achilles tendonitis if you're having symptoms that are there for more than 3 weeks after you've rested it. So if you've done your rest, ice, compression, elevation, anti-inflammatories, and your symptoms are still there, it's probably not Achilles tendonitis. If you've done these treatments for 3 months or longer, it's no longer Achilles tendonitis. Now it's actually changed into Achilles tendinosis. And what Achilles tendinosis is a degradation, thickening of the tendon. The tendon actually starts to change its chemical makeup. It forms little blood bundles called neovascularization that actually cause some pain. It calcifies, there's less blood flow to the area, it thickens. If you picture an old rubber band that has little slats in it and you stretch it and it won't return back to its normal resting state, that's kind of what it turns into. And now the treatment is completely different.